Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to set DPI settings and how to change DPI in Samsung A27. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.